Are you intrigued by the carnivore diet but worried about the potential strain on your wallet? Fear not. Eating healthily on a carnivore diet doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, some of the most delicious and satisfying carnivore meals can be enjoyed for less than $10. But where do you start? What are the best budget-friendly options that still pack a nutritional punch? Join us as we explore the world of affordable carnivore dining, unveiling mouth-watering meals that prove you can nourish your body without emptying your wallet. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Let's start with ground beef and eggs scramble, the ultimate budget-friendly protein powerhouse. Get ready to kickstart your day with a carnivore meal that's as affordable as it is delicious, the ground beef and eggs scramble. This simple yet satisfying dish packs a powerful punch of protein and nutrients without putting a dent in your wallet. Imagine sizzling ground beef seasoned to perfection, combined with fluffy scrambled eggs cooked to golden perfection. Not only is this meal incredibly flavorful, but it also provides a hefty dose of essential amino acids and vitamins to fuel your day. But what makes ground beef and eggs such a budget-friendly option? For starters, ground beef is one of the most economical cuts of meat available, making it a staple in many carnivore diets. Pairing it with eggs, another affordable protein source, creates a winning combination that's both filling and nutritious. Beyond its affordability, the ground beef and eggs scramble offers versatility and convenience. You can customize it with your favorite spices and seasonings, or add in vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers for extra flavor and nutrients. Plus, it's quick and easy to prepare, making it perfect for busy mornings or lazy weekends alike. If your budget allows, opt for grass-fed and farm or pasture-raised beef if your budget allows. This is better for sustainable agriculture as well as generally the tastier option. Likewise for pasture-raised or free-range eggs. And let's not forget about the cost factor. With ground beef and eggs readily available at most grocery stores for just a few dollars, you can enjoy a hearty and satisfying meal for less than the price of a fancy coffee. So why settle for expensive and overpriced meals when you can whip up a delicious ground beef and eggs scramble for a fraction of the cost? With its unbeatable combination of affordability, flavor, and nutrition, this budget-friendly carnivore meal is sure to become a staple in your dining rotation. Second, canned sardines and avocado, a budget-friendly duo bursting with flavor and nutrition. Prepare to elevate your carnivore dining experience with a budget-friendly meal that's anything but boring, canned sardines and avocado. This dynamic duo combines affordability with exceptional taste and nutritional benefits, making it a go-to option for those looking to nourish their bodies without breaking the bank. Picture this: tender sardines packed in flavorful oil, paired with creamy avocado slices that melt in your mouth. Not only does this combination tantalize your taste buds, but it also delivers a powerhouse of nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, protein, vitamins, and minerals. But why choose canned sardines and avocado over other carnivore options? For starters, canned sardines are incredibly budget-friendly, often costing just a few dollars per can. Yet, they are packed with heart-healthy omega-3s, protein, and calcium, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Pairing them with creamy avocado adds healthy fats, fiber, and additional vitamins and minerals, creating a well-rounded and satisfying meal. Another advantage of canned sardines and avocado is their convenience and versatility. Whether you're enjoying them straight out of the can or incorporating them into salads, wraps, or sandwiches, the possibilities are endless. Plus, both ingredients have a long shelf life, making them ideal for stocking up on a budget. And let's not forget about the cost-effectiveness of this meal. With canned sardines and avocados readily available at most grocery stores year-round, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal for a fraction of the cost of dining out or ordering takeout. So why settle for expensive and overpriced meals when you can indulge in the budget-friendly goodness of canned sardines and avocado? With their unbeatable combination of affordability, flavor, and nutrition, this dynamic duo is sure to become a staple in your carnivore meal repertoire. Third, chicken thighs with buttered broccoli, a flavorful and filling carnivore meal. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds with a carnivore meal that's both delicious and nutritious: chicken thighs with buttered broccoli. This mouth-watering combination of tender chicken thighs and savory broccoli is not only budget-friendly but also bursting with flavor and essential nutrients. Imagine sinking your teeth into juicy, succulent chicken thighs, perfectly seasoned and cooked to golden perfection. Paired with tender broccoli tossed in rich, creamy butter, each bite offers a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you craving more. But why choose chicken thighs and broccoli as your carnivore meal of choice? For starters, chicken thighs are one of the most affordable cuts of poultry, making them a staple in many budget-conscious households. Yet, they're also incredibly versatile and flavorful, making them perfect for a wide range of recipes. Pairing chicken thighs with buttered broccoli adds a healthy dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber to your meal, while also providing a satisfying crunch and buttery richness that's hard to resist. Plus, both chicken thighs and broccoli are low in carbohydrates, making them ideal for those following a carnivore diet. Also opt for pasture-raised or free-range chicken if your budget allows. Another advantage of chicken thighs with buttered broccoli is their simplicity and ease of preparation. With just a few basic ingredients and minimal cooking time, you can whip up a delicious and nutritious meal that's sure to please even the pickiest eaters. So why settle for bland and boring meals when you can enjoy the mouth-watering goodness of chicken thighs with buttered broccoli? With its unbeatable combination of affordability, flavor, and nutrition, this carnivore meal is sure to become a favorite in your household. Next up, beef liver and onions, a nutrient-rich and budget-friendly carnivore classic. Prepare to expand your culinary horizons with a carnivore meal that's both nourishing and economical: beef liver and onions. This classic dish may evoke memories of Grandma's kitchen, but its nutritional benefits and budget-friendly nature make it a timeless choice for carnivore enthusiasts looking to maximize both flavor and affordability. Imagine savoring tender slices of beef liver, perfectly sautéed and caramelized alongside golden brown onions. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, with the rich, savory taste of liver complemented by the sweet, caramelized onions. But beyond its delicious taste, beef liver is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, iron, and zinc. Why choose beef liver and onions as your carnivore meal of choice? For starters, beef liver is one of the most affordable cuts of organ meat, making it accessible to budget-conscious shoppers. Yet, it's also one of the most nutrient-dense foods available, offering unparalleled nutritional benefits compared to other cuts of meat. Pairing beef liver with onions adds depth of flavor and texture to the dish, creating a satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. Plus, both beef liver and onions are readily available at most grocery stores year-round, making it easy to enjoy this classic dish whenever the craving strikes. Another advantage of beef liver and onions is their versatility in the kitchen. Whether you prefer to fry, grill, or saute your liver, there are countless ways to prepare and enjoy this nutritious and budget-friendly dish. So why settle for expensive and overpriced meals when you can indulge in the nourishing goodness of beef liver and onions? With its unbeatable combination of flavor, nutrition, and affordability, this carnivore classic is sure to become a staple in your meal rotation. In conclusion, eating healthily on a carnivore diet doesn't have to be expensive. By incorporating budget-friendly meal options like ground beef and eggs scramble, canned sardines with avocado, pork rinds with cream cheese, chicken thighs with buttered broccoli, and beef liver and onions into your diet, you can nourish your body without breaking the bank. These meals not only offer exceptional taste and nutritional benefits but also prove that eating affordably can be both delicious and satisfying. So why wait? Take the first step towards maximizing flavor and affordability in your carnivore diet today. Head to the grocery store, stock up on budget-friendly ingredients, and start cooking up delicious meals that won't empty your wallet. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can enjoy a healthy and satisfying carnivore lifestyle without compromising on taste or quality. Here's to delicious meals and a healthier you.